stop for a second and think about the money you could have earned if you do something productive. However, maybe you don't really want to work that much, so you just tend to chill and relax by using your phone and watching some videos online. Now, how about I tell you that you can actually just watch videos online and earn a lot of money all at the same time in just a few very simple steps. You can earn money as quickly as 30 minutes. All you have to do is click on the video, press play, allow 10 seconds for you to watch, and just like that, earn a lot of money. Now, this is a method that is perfectly ideal for beginners without any prior experience, because it literally takes no skill to watch a video online, right? And what's even greater is that this method is 100% free with absolutely no charges, no investments, and no payments of any kind. On top of that, it is widely available no matter where you are on the planet, and this can even be accessed through any device that you have. All you need is a device, be it your laptop or your phone, and of course your trusty internet connection. With this hottest and latest money-making strategy, you can earn an endless amount of money because you can freely repeat this method over and over again. Everything just sounds so good, doesn't it? Well, all you have to do is to watch this video until the end and make sure not to skip some parts in order to understand everything you need to perform. Overall, I will be demonstrating how you can register for an account for free, and of course I'll be sharing some tips, tricks, and ideas as to what videos will pave the way for the most amount of money you can possibly earn. Just stay with me until the end, as I'll show you everything step by step in complete detail. Kicking off this video is the first website that I will show you, which is called Swingo. 15 seconds, and that they are trusted and sustainable. As we scroll down a little bit, you can actually see these various ways as to how to make money on this website. You can choose to view ads, join clicks, grid, watch videos, complete offers, and become an affiliate. However, since this video is all about you earning money by watching some videos, we are going to focus on the categories view ads and watch videos. In a while, I will show you how you can select an advertisement and play it for 10 seconds, then and earn money repeatedly. Your income opportunities are literally endless because, like I said before, you can do this method as many times as you want. The SKU, your limit, well, actually this is how a lot of people from all across the globe earn big amounts of money. So stay tuned as I unveil more tips for you to use along the way. Without further ado, let's start with the money-making process. Now, before we proceed, make sure that you are lending me your full attention, and you must be listening carefully to everything that I say, and most importantly, stay with me until the end of this video, because if you don't, well, I hate to break it to you, but you're most likely going to fail. But since you are here and you will be watching this video until the end, you are going to be very satisfied. So first and foremost, let's start with signing up. As the first step, in the middle of the home page, you can see this button right here which says register. So I want you to click on that. After clicking on the register button, you will be redirected to this page where you can input basic information about yourself, such as your full name, username, password, email address, and you're going to confirm that information on these fields right here. After filling in the general information, the next part would be inputting your payment account by typing in your PayPal account information on these fields right here, such as perfect money and pay year. Now that you have shared your payment information, they will know where to give you the money, which moves us to the next part, which is the image verification. Simply click on the box that says I'm not a robot, and then the next part would be agreeing to the swing box rules. Again, just stick on this box right here, and all you have to do is hit that register button, and just like that, you are done with the first step. Moving on to step number 2, where you can now view a wide array of videos or advertisements embedded across the web page. Following your successful registration, you can now begin to start earning money, since you now have access to these videos right here. These videos are your money maker, and the best thing about this is that you have tons of companies have already signed up at Swingbucks. Therefore, it all plays according to your benefit, since you have more and more options. Now you must be thinking that this is all you need to know, and you can now exit the video. Well, I'm sorry, but that is where you're wrong. A few people actually do not earn a big amount of money while utilizing this method because they have no idea which video they should watch and which company they should focus their attention to in order to earn more and more money. But hey, consider yourself lucky because you came across this video, and since you are still here, let me give you a little tip. I want you to put more time and effort into watching micro ads. Micro ads are very deadly tools for your money-making journey. With micro ads, all you need to do is watch a video good for as little as 10 seconds, and after the 10 seconds run out, a normal video will automatically play for you. When the video plays, you simply don't have to do anything at all, and just leave your device as it is as you let the normal video play until the next advertisement will show on your screen. This will then become a cycle, and this only means that you absolutely don't have to exert any effort at all once you have started to play the video. Before we proceed, let me give you the period to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And let us know what you think so far down in the comments below. Are you still here? If you are, then that's beyond amazing, because I will give you another tip to make your life much easier. Well, it's pretty much a secret, so make sure to listen in very carefully. You can actually multiply your income in a much faster way by opening as many browsers as you can on as many devices as you have. If you have a computer, a laptop, a tablet, and a phone, I highly suggest that you use all of these devices simultaneously and open up a video from Swing Books. Through this, you can maximize your earnings, since more videos will play, therefore more chances for advertisements to spawn and conjure in the viewed videos. On every single video, it is guaranteed that there is at least one ad, and if you're lucky, you can have up to 4 ads in a single video. Now think of all the possibilities you can have if you use all the devices in your arsenal. With 4 ads spawning from each video on all your devices, you can make money at a much faster rate. But wait, you must be thinking how overwhelming it can get when there's a lot of videos playing all at the same time. That leads me to my next bonus tip. You don't have to listen to the video and the ads when you play them, so simply turn your volume all the way down and just set your device aside. Let your device do the magic for you while you prance away doing something that you love. You can read the book, to your chores, sleep, sing a song, dance to some music, all while making big lumps of money. It can't get better than that, don't you think? Well, the entire money-making strategy of watching videos is just one big smooth ride with the steps, ideas, and tips that I gave you. So allow me to reveal another method that will give you a lot of money as well. This method is rather easy, and it only involves a few clicks and a bit of waiting on SwingGrid Clone. You can simply click on any boxes on the page, and you will be redirected to a sponsors page that corresponds to the box that you clicked on. The sponsors page simply stay there for a while, let's say around 10 seconds, and then you can get an instant $5 into your account. It's literally so simple that you don't shed a single sweat while doing this. All you have to do is to click on the box of your own choice, then wait for at least 10 seconds on the page, and then voila, you now have $5. Now, this method is actually pretty amazing because you can do this over and over again. As the grid refreshes every single day, you can go back to this page and click the boxes as many times as you want. Then you can earn $5 for every website you have visited. With this premier and highly effective strategy, you can surely make much more money online. And one last thing, make sure to tell your friends about this video so that you guys can earn more and more money altogether. And that's it for this video. See you in the next one. If you enjoyed this video, you are going to want to watch one of these 2 videos right here. Enjoy.